Hi Pink Angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome if you're new. I'm going to be chatting to you about the different things that you can do to make yourself feel more put together and just feel really pretty and amazing. These are some of the things that I do on a daily basis just to make sure that I'm feeling my best, making sure that I'm feeling pretty and feeling confident and yeah, just kind of taking care of myself. So yeah, I really hope that this helps you and that you enjoy it. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate it. If you want to become part of my Pink Angel family, please do subscribe. I would love that. My name is Amy and I post beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos, always involving lots and lots of pink. And you can also feel free to follow me on Instagram. It's at @AlohaAmy_. I would love to have you over there as well and we can chat. I post all the time on my stories, so active on Instagram, so you can come and chat to me and we can just chat all things pink. So yeah, please do hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram and also give this video a thumbs up because that would really help me out. So with all that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and get on with some of my ideas. Okay, so I feel like when I have my nails done, I feel a lot more put together. I never go out without my nails painted and I hate getting a chip in my nails. So I always like to have them nicely painted and I kind of like to go for a really neutral colour just because it's easier to match with things. But obviously paint your nails whatever colour you want, but I obviously personally always go for baby pink. So my nails look like this. They are just really simple, really neutral, baby pink nails. The nail polish that I use is this one here. It's from W7. It doesn't have a shade name, which is a little bit annoying, but it's like a baby pink colour. There's also a shade from Ciati, which is called Strawberry Milkshake. It is also beautiful. It's pretty much the same colour as this, and yeah, it's just really nice and glossy and pink, and I love that. Sometimes I like to add an iridescent glitter on top of my nails if I have time, but sometimes if I don't, then I will just go for the super simple baby pink, and it matches everything that I own and it's just really neutral and I just love having my nails done. Sometimes I have on false nails. I really like the Impress stick-on nails. They're really great and I think I might do a video in the future on how I get them to last so long. I can make them last for about 3 weeks to a month and they still look perfect, so I really like having stick-on nails. But at the moment I am letting my natural nails kind of have a bit of a rest because I had been wearing stick-on nails for a while, so kind of like to take a break every now and again from having fake nails because I think it's good to let your real nails kind of have a bit of a rest. But yeah, I just feel like when my nails are done I feel a lot more put together. Nails done makes you feel great, makes you look more put together, so yeah. The next thing is that I really like to wear very dainty jewellery and I kind of tend to always go for the same jewellery. I have like kind of select pieces of jewellery that I always kind of reach for. So on a daily basis I pretty much always wear this bracelet, which is from Thomas Sabo. It has really pretty kind of pink pearls and then it's got kind of pink beads which have little pearls in between, and then it has a couple of charms on it. One of them I got, it says 21, I got that for my 21st, and then I have a little graduation cap which is really sweet, which I got for my graduation last summer. And I just like this bracelet because it doesn't get caught in anything, it doesn't get tangled, and it's also baby pink so it matches everything. And then this one here I always wear on this arm and it is a little heart. It's actually backwards. This one is a little heart and it's just really dainty, and I don't know where this is from, but it was a gift from one of my friends for my 21st, and again I just think it looks really pretty and delicate and I wear that almost every day. And then my earrings and my necklace are from a matching set from Swarovski, which my dad got me a while ago. I love it, and I kind of switch up my earrings and my necklace quite often, but I kind of have like a few that I always reach for that I know kind of go with the silver of my bracelets. And then my ring is from Hawaii. I got this specially made for me and I have a whole matching set of earrings and necklace, but I don't tend to wear all of them on an everyday basis. I just quite like wearing this ring more often. So yeah, I think it's really good to just have jewellery that you can reach for, that always matches, it doesn't get caught in things, and it's just easy to wear every day. And also just kind of dainty, delicate jewellery always just looks very pretty and elegant. Jewellery with sparkles and pearls and things always makes an outfit look more put together, and I think it just makes you feel more pretty and things as well. So yeah, I always like to wear my pretty jewellery, and these are just so easy to just throw on, and I always remember to wear them every single day. Next up is something that I've talked about quite a bit before, but that is hair accessories and kind of ways to make your hair look done even when it doesn't take too much time. So I've mentioned before, and I have plenty of videos out there about how I curl my hair, and I quite often just like to have my hair curled. I twist it up into a bun when I sleep, and then in the mornings I get up and I brush my hair and it's ready to go. It's already curled and it's looking good to go. So that is a really good time saver. It means that I'm always kind of ready to head out the door. Don't need to put too much effort into my hair. I have been trying to not use so much heat in my hair, so I have been tying my hair up quite a bit more, so I'm trying like different braids and things like that. And even today I've literally just got my hair in a messy bun. It's super simple, but I've accessorised it with a little pink pearl clip, which I think is really cute. And then I've pulled a few sections out from the front of my hair which are a bit shorter, and I just kind of used my straightener and twisted that and got these kind of curls for around the front of my face just to kind of frame it. And I think it looks quite pretty, and I think it looks quite feminine and pretty, and it just kind of makes the look again a little bit more put together and pretty. But it really only took me 5 minutes to do this because it's pretty much just a messy bun. So it's super simple. When I do my hair in a braid, I also kind of pull sections out, curl the front, and it just makes things look a little bit more softer and angelic, and I really love that look. I think also like pretty hairbands look nice with this hairstyle, like just kind of putting that like there. I think that looks really sweet, and again makes you look a bit more put together, and it's really pretty. So another thing that can make you feel really amazing is using perfume. I am obsessed with perfume, as you will have seen from my perfume collection. I have quite a few, and I just love deciding on what perfume I'm going to be wearing that day. I switch up my perfumes every single day, just kind of depending on what my mood is. Sometimes I want something a bit more stronger, sometimes I want things that are more soft, and yeah, I just think that I feel really amazing when I put on a beautiful scented perfume. So one of my new ones that I got, this is the C Fiore Eau de Parfum, and I am obsessed with this. It's a beautiful bottle and it smells so incredible. I love very kind of sweet candy scents, or kind of fruity coconut vanilla kind of scents. I love that, and I love just getting ready in the mornings and choosing a beautiful perfume to put on. It makes me feel really put together, it makes me feel amazing. I just think that it is another thing that can make you feel really girly and feminine, to just choose a beautiful perfume or body spray. Depending on where I'm going as well, if I'm heading to the gym or heading to work, I tend to wear a body spray. As I've mentioned before, I love the Victoria's Secret ones. And then if I'm kind of going out to university or going out for lunch or dinner or something, then I will reach for a perfume. So I just love having options and choosing that, and it just makes me feel more put together when I smell amazing. So before makeup, the most important thing is skincare. I think that even when you're not wearing makeup, you should still feel amazing, and the key to that is good skincare. So you don't have to have perfect skin. Believe me, I don't have perfect skin. I do struggle with getting spots and redness. I have really sensitive skin. As soon as I like touch my face, it goes bright red. So I definitely don't have perfect skin, so don't get me wrong, but I just think that taking care of your skin is so important, and it's something that can make you feel really amazing and really pretty when your skin is just looking nice and glowy and fresh. So I always make sure to have a really good skincare routine of cleansing and toning and moisturising, and just putting on beautiful luxurious facial mists. In the evenings, I just love to have a bubble bath and remove my makeup, and then to tone my skin using a beautiful vitamin E hydrating toner, and then I like to use the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. This is what it looks like, and it's just a gorgeous spray which It smells like roses and it's just really nice and hydrating. I love spritzing my face with this after I've had a bath because it's just very relaxing in the evenings, makes my skin have a gorgeous glow. I think in order to feel confident and beautiful and pretty every single day, I think it's really helpful to have go-to outfits that you know always look good. There's just outfits that I've already paired together, they always look good no matter how I'm feeling. I just always really like them. So like certain skirts and tops that just go really nicely with like a specific pair of boots, I can just throw it on, or like a jumper dress. I think I have a few jumper dresses that are just so easy to put on. I just put on some tights and this comfy dress and some boots and I'm just ready to go. I'm not a morning person, so I like to have outfits pre-planned, and normally I'll think about it the night before, but sometimes if I don't have time, I'll wake up in the morning, I'm like, what am I going to wear? And it's just good to have outfits that you know always look good. So next up, for feeling pretty and put together, I think it's really nice to keep your makeup natural and simple. Don't get me wrong, I love doing glam makeup, I love glitter, but on a day-to-day basis I just like to keep my makeup pretty simple, and I have products that I know really work for me, and I just like to have a nice kind of glowy makeup. I focus a lot on my skincare and my skin and just making sure that everything's looking really glowy. I love using a beautiful highlighter, and even like today I don't have any eyeshadow on. I just took my highlighter when I was putting it on my cheekbones. I also popped it onto my eyelids and just added a really nice kind of shimmer, and it makes me look a little bit more put together, like I put effort into putting eyeshadow on, but actually I didn't. It didn't take me any time at all. It just was an extra sweep over my lids, and you can do the same with your bronzer. Just add, when you're popping on your bronzer onto your cheeks, just kind of run your brush through your eyes as well, and it just gives you a really nice kind of natural makeup look. I've mentioned before about jewellery, about how I like to wear kind of dainty jewellery, but in relation to that, I also think just keeping your accessories simple makes you look a lot more put together. So yeah, I personally just like to keep my accessories quite simple. I have my go-to bracelets and jewellery pieces that I know always look pretty and match all of my outfits, and I just think that keeping that quite simple is really good to look more put together. And also in regard to like my shoes, my handbags, they are normally like the focus. Quite often I have quite like glam shoes or glam handbags, so I kind of make that like the focus, and then my jewellery, my hair accessories, I will keep a lot more simple. And I think, you know, sometimes you can go a bit too overboard. Like if I was wearing this hair clip, or like say for example this hairband, I wouldn't wear big earrings with this, but if I was going to be wearing big statement earrings, I would have like my hair kind of, I wouldn't use any hair accessories, and I maybe like wouldn't wear a big necklace. And the same thing as if you're like wearing an outfit where maybe there's quite a lot of detail at the top of your outfit, like maybe your top is very sparkly or something. I think sometimes it can look a bit much if you're wearing like big sparkly earrings and a big necklace as well. So I think keeping things a lot more simple, maybe not wearing a necklace if you're wearing a detailed top, is kind of a good way to go, because it means that you don't look too kind of heavy and too much, you know. So it's just keeping things simple is really nice. So the final thing that I like to do to make myself feel really pretty and put together is always wearing pretty pajamas and lingerie. I just love wearing kind of like a satin lacy pajamas to sleep. It makes me feel really amazing. I love to just feel luxurious at all times. I know it's a bit extra, but that's just me, and I think it really does help to make you feel more confident. Also just kind of every day wearing really nice, pretty, like matching lingerie, it just makes you feel really great. Yeah, you know, if you're wearing a jumper that's kind of off the shoulder, if you're wearing a pretty kind of lacy bralette underneath, it's just lovely to kind of show that a little bit. And yeah, I just think it makes you feel a lot more put together, and obviously it's very pretty as well. So that is all of the things that I do on a daily basis to just kind of make myself feel more pretty and put together. And yeah, I just really hope that this helped you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!